What's up, everybody? Check this out. I'm out here in my garage, and I just picked this up. Super stoked. My aunt gave this to me for free. I'm super stoked. Okay, what's up, guys, gals, whoever's watching this channel? Check this out. This here is my right Stander X. It's a 52 inch. I believe the belt that runs the drives is broke. Runs just fine. I had to buy another one though because I didn't know, this was last year, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get one with the way things were going. I didn't. So I bought a new one. It's out on the trailer. This bad boy's in the garage. But that's what I wanted to discuss with you today, is new equipment. Are you buying new equipment? Are you using old equipment? If you're just getting started, make do with what you got. Use what you got. It's pointless to buy new stuff right off the bat. Look for some used equipment. I started out, I was buying new old trucks, old equipment. Aerators was a good thing that I would buy old, and they would last. There was a few lawnmowers that I bought a little older. They didn't last so long, but they got me through. They made me some money. But now I don't buy used. I don't try to find used deals. I go straight to the dealer and I buy new equipment. As far as trucks go, I am now a fan of buying newer trucks. So as part of my business, I pretty much plan on always having a mower payment. I'm always going to have a truck payment. And the reason why is I want to be able to basically save some of my old equipment for backup. And if you don't need a backup, well, you always need a backup. I would say backup lawnmower, backup small mower, backup trimmer, backup blower. Anyways, so but that's just me. Now, I'm not saying buying new equipment is good for everybody, because obviously there's a debt involved with buying new equipment. The reason why I buy new equipment is because I know this new piece of equipment, if I take care of it, is going to last me at least 3 or 4 years, 5 years, 6 years if I take care of it. I don't know how somebody else took care of their equipment. If you have a bunch of employees who are using your stuff, I feel that they take care of the newer equipment better than the older equipment. That's just me. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Is that how it is in your company? What do you do in your company? Comment down below and let me know how you run things. But I was sick of fixing stuff. Literally. I'm sorry, but dude, time is money. Is it not? The faster, the more efficient you can get done with a property, the more money you are making. So, the goal is to obviously make yards look good, and you want to make money. We're not in this business. Well, I take that back. I'm in this business because it was good to make some money. Starting out as a teenager, making some money, working for my brother. I bought my brother out, and now I run the business myself, have been for the last 18, 19 years, as far as when I bought it. But, whoa, that's a long time. Dang. Anyways, so the thing is I've went through some highs, I've went through some lows. Some of the lows were caused by me. None other than just making bad decisions, trying to grow too fast without properly adjusting my prices. So now I run full, pretty much 99.9% rental properties and commercial and HOA. I do one residential client. The other kind of residential clients that I do are all owners of the management company and a few owners for the properties that I do their rentals for. Now, all these people understand the cost. All these people understand the cost of doing business rental property wise. And in reality, they like to see their properties looking nice. So some of them have invested money, obviously, in these rental properties, and they want them looking nice. And some of the HOAs that we do, same thing. They've got a vested interest, money-wise, in these HOAs. They want to keep them looking good. So that's where we're at. Time is money. I've been saving a lot of time this year. But anyways, we're going to make another video on things that I do as far as it's the same stuff as like a normal client, residential client, mow, edge. I mean, basically we just keep the property looking good. However, there is minimal asking, do you want me to do this? Do you want me to spray Roundup? Do you want me to spray for weeds? Do you want me to fertilize? Do you want me? I just do it. We just kind of been doing that with the management company. But anyways, stay tuned. We'll do a video on that. As far as if you're interested, I'll do a video on where I'm at right now with the company, as far as what made me decide to switch over my residential client to rental properties. So yeah, stay tuned on one of the other videos. I don't know which video that will be, but one of these videos here in the future will be that. Another thing that I'm going to try to do to focus on this channel is investing. Obviously, this is a piece of equipment. I invested my money into this, but that's not the money we're talking about investing. Stay tuned. I've got a project in the works right now where I just dumped $3,400 into some stuff, and it netted me a $654 dividend. Yeah, a dividend. Anyway, so it's not no scam. It's not no get rich quick scheme. I'm not trying to sell you shit. I'm basically just asking that you, as a company, a business owner, start investing for yourself. So stay tuned. We're going to cover some more videos on investing and what I'm learning. I'm no expert. I'm learning. But I feel I have a couple things figured out. Maybe I don't. I don't know. But we'll see. Stay tuned. Follow the journey, because I wish I would have started this sooner. And I don't want you guys to look back and say, I wish I would have done this sooner. Let's get started right now.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.